She's going for it now. She's...
That's my favourite answer in an interview, apparently. I'm at school. I just need some help finding my words when I'm under pressure.
That was a really great interview, Jack.
Great, so we can't start.
Let's think about it.
We've helped over 3 million young people move forward with the skills they need to get ready for work. Let's go forward.
Hello everyone. My name is Nav. I'm an audiologist with Booth. I'm here to test your hearing today. Do other people notice that you don't hear them as well?
My grandkids came in and said, "Grandad, this TV's really loud." It was very loud.
You are definitely going to benefit from wearing hearing aids. Booth. Let's feel good.
And now, spread the cost with interest-free monthly payments.
That is the best sound.
Yeah?
All right.
Look.